The U.S. consumer has proven to be more resilient than expected in 2023 amid lingering inflation. However, some risks may be on the horizon in the new year. Here with the details is Yahoo Finance's very own Madison Mills. All right, what are they, Madison?
Well, you might remember a year ago, the big banks were saying we're definitely headed towards a recession. We're worried about the strength of the consumer. Not so much this year, as we heard in those bank earnings. We're still seeing some consumer strength, but some interesting data from the Federal Reserve of New York showing that credit card delinquencies are up across every single age group. That was following the bottoming out of those delinquencies in 2022. This could be related to that stimulus money starting to run out, the return of student loan repayments, also due to just the consumer starting to potentially buckle under the rapid inflation that we've been seeing across the board here. I also want to point out that the banks have been saying that not only is consumer credit spending up, it's also taking consumers longer to pay back their debt. So that could be an indicator of consumer pain starting to trickle in here. But then when you hear Jay Powell talking about Fed rate cuts, it seems like the bad days might be behind us.
Well, and what's so funny about all of this is the banging of the drum over the summer was student debt repayment is coming back, all of these other things, the chickens are coming home to roost, people are going to stop spending.
Yeah.
And that didn't happen. So I feel like every time we get these sort of like, the trouble is, I mean, that doesn't mean it's never going to happen.
Yeah.
But I don't know, I think the antennae are up after the year that we have had, right?
And the holiday spending was up. We had MasterCard saying it was up 3.1% heading into December 24th. So I just have to wonder where the call is coming from inside the house. When you're seeing the consumer continue to spend, it reminds me of the commercial real estate ghost in the room. Like, which one is going to start to be the thing that we have to really worry about next year? Yeah. Maybe it's credit card debt.
Maybe it is. We shall see.
Yeah.
Thanks, Maddie.
Yeah,
Appreciate
of course.
it.
Thank you.